Good evening, Master Purantam, and today we are going to make a program of shared preference uh, in which data will be saved. Data will not be resetted even after the program is closed, and it will be automatically set after the program is run again. So for that we are making a login screen first, and for that username, password, and then a checkbox for activating the shared preference and a button. So for the main program, we are importing all the packages. Then we are initializing all the variables. Then we are passing the ID to all the variables. Then we are making a static username and password using map. Then we are calling a variable load data, and for load data's functionalities, we are using a get string and set text. And for login you are getting a username, password. Then we are using if map.key contains key uname. Then is password you are getting, then p dot equals map.uname. Then inside that, if c.each checked is used, then shared preference file name, then mode private is used, then shared preference editor, sp.edit, and then we are putting that key and variable, and then key and again variable, then p.commit to save all the shared preferences. Then we are starting that intent for our next page. Then we are passing login failed if the if condition is not satisfied. So if we move to the next page, uh, here we are making a spin. Here we are making a spinner, and inside the spinner we are making to choose different colors and applying that colors to the background of the screen. So the extra colors other than the three primary colors will be gray, green, and maroon, followed by their hex codes. So for the second page program, we are importing all the libraries, and then we are initializing all the variables and passing their respective IDs. Then we are calling that shared preferences uh, with their file name and mode private. Then we are passing the username and printing a message hello with the username. Then we are making a new array list, and in that array list we are making color values, and I'm giving this name color values. Colors and color values both. So name will be gray, and its respective ID will be given from colors.xml. Same for green and maroon also. Then we are calling final view, and that's view one. Then is equal to this dot get window dot get decor view. This will change the background color of the window. This will get the ID of the background window, and then we are setting the resources to that selected color. Then we are calling an array adapter, and we are passing the layout for a simple spinner item and colors.xml. Then we are making a drop down resource, and again passing layout dot simple spinner drop down item. Then we are setting that array adapter, and we're creating an on item selected listener for the array adapter. In that we are passing all the variables, and we are setting the view one with the background color of the selected colors by getting the position of that color values. And we are finally we are giving a functionality logout by using intent and the starting page of that program. So if we run this program, it should look like this. So if I give a name and password with a without shared preference, it will log in though, and you can change color like this. But if you log out, it will be resetted again. So if we use shared preference this time, by selecting the checkbox, it will remember it and we can log in again directly. So this is the program.